everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Tracy. I'm a realtor with Keller Heritage here in San Antonio, Texas. And I live here on the west side of San Antonio, and that's the area that I'm going to be specializing in when I show you house tours and looking at different types of properties that you can buy out here in different price ranges. We have a lot of new home builds going on out here in beautiful communities. And then we also have a lot of homes that are resale or pre-existing houses that there's a lot of great inventory out there right now. As many of you know, the housing market's been a little bit sluggish recently, but you know, it's still a good time to buy for a lot of people. They have to move for whatever reason, or they're looking to pick up homes that are getting reduced in price. And there's a lot of investors out there. There's people out there taking advantage of those lower prices. As far as interest rates go, there's different ways of trying to get that interest rate down through rate buy downs that you can ask for seller concessions or incentives from home builders. A lot of different ways that you can work to try to get into the price point that you want and get the house that you want in the location that you want. That's what I'm here for, is to just show you around, give you some ideas of what's out there. And the median home here right now is going for about $350,000. Let's go look at house number one. It's gonna be around the $370,000 to $380,000 range, and we're gonna see what you can get from a new builder for that price. Let's get going.